Alright, what's up everyone? This is Immaculate Random Divisions number 1. One boxer from a fresh case. Gonna roll the dice, see how many times we're going. Going 4 times, 1 and a 3. We'll do the customer names first this time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got Nick C on top, Samuel K on bottom. Make it really big. Divisions. Unbold that. And now for the divisions. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got the NFC West on top and the NFC North on bottom. 4 times. See, here's everyone's divisions. We got Nick C with the NFC West, Nikki G with the AFC East, Daniel C with the NFC South. Corey K got the AFC West, Kevin R got the NFC East, John E got the AFC South, Samuel K got the AFC North and the NFC North, a couple of North teams. So let me set up the timer. Where's the timer? I'll go 2 minutes on the divisions. Should be a little easier to plan out. One minute and change on the trades. 1 minute and change. Alright, doesn't look like any trading, so we're just gonna roll. We'll get this show on the road. Alright, here we go. Breaking from a fresh case. Here are divisions one more time. We'll roll the dice, see which box we're doing. Just so you know, guys, some of the boxes have little tears on it. I noticed coming out of the case. All right, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1 on the bottom left, and then 6 on top. Not an official roll. Going box number 2. Right in the left and middle. So we'll mark these boxes. This is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move these to the back. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's see a monster. Oh, AFC North has a ton of hits. They got Steelers too. Steelers are usually a pretty good team to get. See, MLK got the AFC North and the NFC North. Rolling with some North action. North action. This one feels kind of small. Might have some points in here. Unfortunately. Maybe not. Maybe it's just acetate in there or something. First card up for the NFC East. NFC East going out to Kevin R. Got a LaShawn McCoy base 28/29. His old jersey number when he first came up. Wow, this is nice. Allen Robinson, 2/10, 4-color patch for the AFC South. That's John E. Nice card. John E. 2/10. Uh, 53 is actually less than we were charging for one boxers. We got a Paul Richardson 49/50. Numbers patch. Going out to the NFC West. Going to Nick C. No hockey in here. Sorry about that. Jay Levi. Wish we had some. We got 57/99. A triple to be random. Brandon Cooks, Kelvin Benjamin, and Mike Evans. 57/99. Ran that at the end of the break. Devonta Freeman, patch auto, 39/49. 2-color patch auto. That is the NFC South. Let's go on to Daniel C. Oh, that is all the same division. I forgot we're doing divisions. And we got a nice one here. 2/49 on-card auto for the AFC North. I predicted it. I told you Steelers are well in this Immaculate case. Rod Woodson for the Steelers. On-card auto. Nice one for the AFC North. Alright guys, that was Immaculate Random Divisions number 1. Thanks everyone for joining.